guys can line them up, line them up.
Good luck.
Oh, I think it starts off exactly the same way it started last time. Anthony Bob, though, the vicious man that night.
Oh.
Bob rolls it and sympathy. I know, that's the wobbly tire. Not buggy does have tires. I got up there a little ways to follow, then I crashed. You were behind me, weren't you? Yeah, second behind me. Then I decided to first crash. As he said, his stomach story. 3 long 30 seconds left to go. I'm going to take him to resell it. Yeah. Hello, cookies. Hello, babe. I am here. Yeah. Hello, family. I do have 2 girls at home. 3 minutes left. Yeah. You guys hungry? Whoa, nice and good. Looking good. Anthony there in the one right now. He's another good. I'm going to get tired. 4-1 and I did. 4-3 4 at Bob. We do have 40 plus mod buggy at our 3-day event. I think we even have 40 plus stock buggy at our 3-day event.
I'm gonna try that.
Okay. We have regular mod. We have regular stock, of course. Extra stock. Yeah, lots of stock.
Every stop line is magical.
All the stock. Oh, slide into Matt's arms. Yes, make sure you get signed up out there. We can even sign you up manually. If you need us to, just let us know. If you don't have an account or something, get you in there. So make sure we got seats for everybody. 155 left to go. Anthony up there, 24.59. 4.59. Puts you in about 7th place on the regular mod. But Anthony, Isaiah, Bob, about 128 left to go. And we'll put the new layout in right before Friday, so this will be Thursday night. Yep. So that way we don't get any extra cheaters like Colton who gets 755 laps. Yep, out there, I'm watching it.
It's birthday.
Is it? Birthday? I saw it was getting tucked into last time the day before.
1 minute left.
Probably busy playing baseball today. 50 seconds left. But it'll be a fun layout. I already got the layout drawn up, so it'll be pretty fun. Nothing crazy. Could be. We'll have a big straightaway. Definitely tell you guys that much. We'll have a little rhythm section. Good. Yeah, we'll not go now. Shoot forward. Woo! Isaiah, 12-0, Isaiah. Whoops. Alright, that was all accidental. All good.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Enter legal window.
5,
1, 4, 5, 6.
4, 3, 2,
This is going to be our Sportsman Mod buggy. Clear of the night, trying to scare me with wheelies. I'm not scared. I'm not scared of you either, Isaiah. Anthony, Isaiah, you're done. Bob is done. We'll get you 3 corner marshal. We might need 2 extra corners, and then we're going to go right to forward back here.
The race is concluded.